Today we are going to be learn about introduction to SCI-LAB. SCI-LAB is a free and open source cross-platform numerical computational package and a high-level numerical oriented programming language. It can be used for signal processing, statistical analysis, image enhancement, fluid dynamic simulations, numerical optimization and modeling, simulation of explicit and implicit dynamic systems, and symbolic manipulations. Here, the Skylab was developed by Skylab Enterprises in the year of 1990. Initially, it is named as PyC-Lab. Later, in 2003, it is renamed as Skylab. Skylab is one of the two major open source alternatives to MATLAB, the other one being the GNC Octave software. Skylab puts less emphasis on synthetic compatibility with MATLAB than Octave does, but it is similar enough that some authors suggest that it is easy to transfer the skills between the two systems. Here today we have to going to be know how we have to going to be navigate the particular Skylab, then how to open the software, then how to close the software, and then what are the toolbars, what are the consoles available for the particular Skylab we are going to be discuss now. In order to open the particular Skylab, click on Skylab icon which is available on the desktop. After clicking the icon, our screen will be available like this here. Then here for Skylab, what will be consists of the 6 consoles. The first console will be toolbar, then second console will be the file browser, then third console will be the workspace or command prompt, and then fourth one will be the variable browser, and the fifth one command history, and then sixth one newsfeed. Now we are going to be learn about one by one here. The first one will be the file browser. The purpose of file browser is in order to know the location of our project, or otherwise in order to locate our project location. This is the purpose of file browser. How we are going to be, first of all, when you are going to be open the software, first we need to set the location. In what way are going to be set the location? Then click on folder button here, select directory, then click on this PC, then select any one drive at which location your data will be required for you. Then I'm going to be select one drive, that is E drive. I'm going to be created one folder, name it as sample Skylab folder, sample Skylab, then open that one. Now I'm presently doing work on E drive sample Skylab folder. This is the file browser console, and then second one, it is the command prompt console. Here we always enter the commands within the command prompt only. Here when you are trying to enter the command within the console, must and should we need to enter the command after the arrow symbol. For example, I'm going to be entering one command that is going to be considered as A. I'm going to be assign this some value for the particular alphabet, that is going to be considered as 5. I'm given this some numerical value for a is equal to 5. For executing the particular command, we need to click on enter, then it will be execute the particular command a is equal to 5 here. Then this is the second console, and then third one is a variable browser here. But I'm going to be enter the some command here. Simply see the another example. I'm going to be like b is equal to 6. Then I'm going to click the enter. Now see here, it is going to be allocate this some memory for the particular variable b is equal to 6. It requires some memory, that is going to be considered as 216 bytes here. That is the purpose of variable browser. Another one, it is going to be considered as a command history. The commands which were entered in the console tab will be saved in the command history. The next one will be the news feed. Will be get the updates about the particular SCI-LAB, then the features, then versions, which versions will be available, latest versions will be available in the particular site, will be get in the particular news feed. This is about the toolbars or otherwise the consoles which are available in a the particular SCI-LAB. For next session, we are going to be know what are the commands are going to be used for mathematical calculations. Thank you.